Everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. This is Tara here. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. You know you're already part of the Grateful Gang. And if you're not a part of the Grateful Gang, then please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and join the gang. It's a good gang. Don't worry, we're grateful over here. On this channel, we do budgeting as well as my journey to home ownership. And this is a part of that journey because we've been looking at houses. It's fun and not so fun. But we're back at it again. We're back in portrait mode. So you know we're doing a house viewing today. This house today was, how shall we say? It was good, but it was small and not mighty. So it was just a little too small for me. If you notice, the furniture in there looks very IKEA-ish, and there were some things wrong with it, like the steps and also like some can lights, recessed lighting coming out of the can lights coming down from the ceiling. I'm like, I think it's relatively new, so why are things falling apart already? Which to me are red flags. You guys, I'm trying to be okay with this process.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Yeah. I got no words. I got nothing. We're holding on though. We're viewing houses. That was a goal of mine, to see at least one house, and I've seen at least 4. So that is a plus. Anyway, let's roll the footage. You're going to hear me and whoever, I think my sister and her hubby went this time to this one. You'll see you'll see my thoughts because they left me walking around the townhouse. It was a townhouse, and it was actually in a different area this time. So trying to be open-minded, y'all. All right, keep watching if you want to see the tour of this house and my points of views. I will not do a voiceover. You'll probably just hear me talking in the video. Nice floors. Half bathroom. Nice fixtures. Well, I want to get you in there. Dining room. You good, you cute, you good. It says kitchen. This is really cute, actually. White cabinets, y'all know I have some white cabinets. Oh, the microwave is already in there. I think not gas stove. I like the subway tile. Oh, that light fixture needs fixed, but I do like the recessed lighting. Do all the appliances stay? Do you know? Okay. This sink is deep. See, this is why I like the video. I tend to remember things better when I'm videoing. I don't know why there's a gap there, but good to point out. Dishwasher. I do like the backsplash. This is the living area. There is a nice hardwoods continued. And this is the outside area that I can't seem to get out to because I never locked it. And it's got a nice little outside space. It does see right to like apartments, which I'm not super fond of. And look, they're apartments, and then there's like people sitting out on the apartments, but and the main road. But the floor needs to be redone. But I like this. There's a light out here. I like how she used the curtains to give herself privacy. Alright, and then this is just the water heater or something. This I'm afraid to open because I almost jacked it up last time, but that is the washer and dryer. This is the third. And this is stuff that needs help. Oh, there's not that many stairs. Okay. All right. This room is kind of small. It would definitely have to be like an office. Like she has it set up in the exercise room. but it does have bathroom in it and closets. I'm not gonna open that because these closets don't seem to be working for me. Hardwood continue. Then this room looks like it's just basic closet, but there's two of them in here, which makes me think this is the master. So carpets definitely need to be changed. This is cute, little pink vibe. She's very girly. Love the mirror. I mean, let y'all see me. I look super basic today. What up? Windows. There's nobody living here right now, so it would just be kind of you. Ooh, come on, fam. Love that side. And then the bathroom, you can definitely see she's like a pink girly lover, but it's really cute. And both rooms actually have a space. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you saw what I was talking about there at the beginning, which is also very important, why I feel like you should really go see houses, because the pictures were really nice. Yeah, thank you so much. I said, like, for watching the video. If you have enjoyed it, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. There'll be a few more of these coming, hopefully not too many. We can find the house of our dreams soon enough. But remember, y'all, like we always say, faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but forever, ever, ever. And in order to be great, you have to be grateful. Have a wonderful, blessed day, guys. Bye.